Hey everybody, it's Mr. Balloon Wizard coming at you, and today I wanted to show you guys a football hat that I made on my Facebook page. I shared from a party that I did, and a few people were asking how to do it. So it's quick line work with the goalpost, as you see. Um, and I'm going to show you guys how to make that. So obviously for this, I'm going to start off. Let's do the goalpost first. So I'm using Battaletex balloons, and I have the gold reflex 260. Stretch it out a little bit. Always using my filbert pump. Don't leave home without it, as I say. I think I have 3 of these, which is fabulous. Let a little air out, and I inflated it, maybe leaving, I don't know, 5 or 6 fingers. I'm going to make an ear twist, about a 1-inch bubble. Okay. Another ear twist, same size. We're going to go down about 4 fingers, make a bubble, make another 1-inch bubble, and another ear twist. Okay. We're going to squeeze the balloon a little bit, softened it, and go about 3 fingers, twist, another 3 fingers. Okay. I may let this go, and that's okay. Okay. But I'm going to do another bubble, 1-inch bubble, an ear twist. And we're going to go up and measure off this side, like looking at it, eyeballing it, that is, and about there. And I'm going to let go of this. Like I said, it's softened. Do another 1-inch bubble, an ear twist, and another one and an ear twist. And rip the rest off. And we could use this, but I think I had too much air in it. Wrap that around. So in this scenario, I'm going to take another 260, or you could use a scrap, whatever you choose. Okay. Inflate it. Probably about 2 handfuls length, or maybe like, I don't know, 5. Yeah, I guess 2 handful lengths, depending on how big your hands are. I have small hands. Do a 1-inch bubble and an ear twist. Another ear twist. Again, this is quick line work. So you're going to take this back to splitting it and put the 2 ear twists right here. Okay. Even them out just like so. And straighten this out so it looks like a goalpost. And go about 3 fingers. Another 1-inch bubble and an ear twist. And another 1-inch bubble and ear twist. Cut off the excess. Wrap this around. There you go. That came off. That's okay. Now, what I want to do is I want to get a clear 260, stretch it out, inflate it. We're not going to tie this one. We're going to inflate it, not the whole way, about up to a hand's length. Let the rest of the air out, because what we wanted to do is stretch it out so we can curl the balloon a little bit. Sometimes I use a stick, wrap the balloon around it so it curls really well. For this, I'm just using my fingers. So I'm going to take the top of it where the tip is, wrap around my 2 fingers, wrap around, and then I'll go probably into the 1 finger, my middle finger. So it looks like that. Hopefully you guys can see that. And then I'm going to place this gently on my filbert pump, or however you do it, the nozzle, okay, and inflate. And as I'm doing it, it's curling it around. I know you guys can't see, but I'll show you what it did. So it curls it around just like that. Okay. Now, like I said, if you have a stick and want to tie, let's say, an uninflated balloon around it, you could get the curl to be even curlier, if that makes any sense. But again, this is to give the essence of the football going through the goalpost, if that makes any sense. So I'm going to take the nozzle and I'm going to put it right between these 2 ear twists here on the pole in the middle. And a lot of times I'll do another small bubble here to make another ear twist to secure this. Okay, just like that. Hopefully you guys can see that. And a second one, and just go real gently, just like this. And I'll show you guys what I'm doing. So just like that. Okay. And make sure you turn around and around and pull this back. So then I kind of want to eyeball it, right? And see where I want to cut it off to add the essence of the football. So I think I'm going to go around here. And I'll do like 3 ear twists. Again, you can do whatever you like and be gentle. The more see-through a balloon is or clear, the more they pop. I don't know why that is, but I think it's just the way they're made. But we're doing good so far. So, and a 3rd ear twist. Oh, there we go. But that's okay. Wrap it around. And I'll just go with the 2 for now. And I'll rip the rest of this off. Okay. And wrap this in really well. And that should be fine. Okay. Then I have a football balloon, and I don't know who the maker was of the balloon. Where'd my balloon go? Here it is. I think it was a Battalatex balloon. I'm going to inflate it. Obviously not all the way, about a hand's length. Tie it. Okay. I'm going to tie this part off for the link part. I'm not going to link it. I want to cut that off, right? So we'll just do it like that. Cut that off, just like so. And then I'll take the rest of the balloon here, and I'll get to the attachment part where the ear twist is, and get that in there really well. Again, sometimes I'll have 3 ear twists there. It works with 2 just fine. Bend it this way so it looks like it's going through the goal. That's the whole point. So I think that's good. So it's interactive, just like that. Then I'm going to take any color. I'm going to use a blue balloon for this. 260, inflate it pretty much all the way, leaving a little bit at the end, but not much. I want to say about that much. Let a little air out, tie it, make a 1-inch bubble. I always like to size fit it, just like so. And remember, if it doesn't fit, you can gently do this afterwards, right? Squeeze the rest to the tip up, do a 1-inch bubble, around and around, bring it back this way, wrap this around, okay? I want to have the mechanics over here of the ear twist. I'm sorry, of the, not the ear twist, of the, I'm making an ear twist of the nozzle, okay? And then I'm going to go up in the middle and just split it evenly, make a bubble, and then kind of bend this a little bit so it's rounded. And then I'll just take the football. Again, I put this on a headband sometimes too, but I think boys would rather have it on a balloon. And then put the 2 ear twists this way. And here we have our football hat. Let me see if I can come back a little bit so you guys can see it. Awesome. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this. It was quick. Football season's here, and I want to make sure you guys have something for line work and can produce that. And I think you'll like it. You'll find it useful. And again, love to hear your feedback. Having fun with this and just trying to be creative and trying to do something weekly here. And some weeks I have more stuff up than other weeks. And we'll see, like I said, how it goes. And I appreciate the feedback. And let's get ready for some more. So you guys have a good weekend, and I hope you find this helpful. Thanks so much for watching.